Why does your skin still look dull, even after buying all the products everyone recommends? You've probably heard the same advice 100 times. Drink more water. Get enough sleep. Wear sunscreen. And yes, those things matter. But what if I told you some of the oldest skincare secrets are still being used today? Hi girlies, this is me, your advisor, Ish. Welcome to your Glow Guide. Today, we're borrowing some of the oldest glow-up secrets that people still swear by. First is rice water. Rice water has been used in skincare for centuries. It's rich in starches and other naturally occurring compounds that can leave the skin feeling soft and smooth. Start your morning by rinsing your face with cooled rice water once or twice a week. It can leave your skin feeling softer and smoother. Second is aloe vera. Aloe vera has been trusted for generations to soothe dry or irritated skin. It provides lightweight hydration without feeling greasy and can leave the skin feeling cool after sun exposure or a long day. Third is rose water. Rose water has been a skincare favorite for centuries. It's naturally rich in antioxidants, flavonoids, and polyphenols, plant compounds that help protect the skin from everyday environmental stress. Its naturally soothing properties can calm skin that feels warm or irritated, while the mild astringent compounds help the face feel fresh without stripping away moisture. Fourth is clove. Clove is a popular ingredient in traditional DIY skincare because of its natural antibacterial and antioxidant properties. It isn't meant to be applied directly to the skin because it can be irritating. But clove-infused skincare products or properly formulated treatments may help support clearer-looking skin. Always avoid using concentrated clove oil directly on your face. If pigmentation or acne marks are your biggest concern, turmeric might be worth adding to your routine. It's known for helping brighten the appearance of the skin and gradually improving the look of uneven skin tone. And last but definitely not the least, potato water. This little kitchen ingredient is one of those old-school beauty tricks that deserves a spot in your Glow Guide. Grate a clean, peeled potato and squeeze out the juice. Apply it to clean skin for a few minutes, then rinse it off. Don't expect potato water to magically erase pigmentation. Patch test it first and never use it on irritated or broken skin. And here's the biggest beauty secret. None of these became traditions because they worked overnight. They became traditions because people were patient. They stayed consistent. So, before you spend money on another viral product, remember this. Healthy-looking skin isn't built by one miracle ingredient. It's built by small habits you repeat every day.